Hello to all my friends out there. So tomorrow is Easter, so we're having a little family meal, so I had to do a little baking. This is a blueberry cake, and I got this recipe from one of the followers. I'll try to show you. This is a white cake, and I put frozen blueberries in it. Look at this yumminess. And then I bought, where is it? It's somewhere, vanilla frosting with sprinkles. This is going to be good. This is basic white bread. This is the best bread recipe. You got to try this. It's easy to make too. I used honey instead of sugar. And then, to go on my homemade bread, I made some strawberry jam. And all this is I cut some fresh strawberries up, and then I covered them with water, and I added 1/8 cup sugar because I wanted my jam kind of sour because that tastes yummy. It's going to be perfect by tomorrow. And then I boiled it down, so water, fruit, and sugar to your taste. And then when it was all cooked down, I added 1 cup lemon juice. Okay, you guys, I hope it's getting festive at your house, and God bless you all.